Hey there, welcome to the 33rd session. In the previous session, we have learned how to implement the paging. In this session, we will learn about how to implement the sorting in the paging. In the background, I have made the some changes related to this. As we know, we can pass the sorting field name as well as the direction in the argument. So I have added the one more property within the page request of type sorting detail. Let's open its definition. It contains the two fields, that is field and direction. Field will be the one of the type that we have specified. And sorting direction contains the direction for the sorting. It can be either ascending or descending. Here we have specified the completed order sorting fields. It contains the field on which we are allowing the sorting. Currently it will be allowed for the ID, address and amount. Along with this, I have created a type for both enums and created an input type for the order by, and also added the dependency for the both enum type as well as the input type. We have a types that we will obtain from the argument as well as the model that will be converted and passed to the service method. Open the queries. Using the argument method, we can specify the argument for the connection. It will be completed order by input type. Argument name will be order by. You can also provide some description along with this. In page request, obtain the value for order by property and convert it to the sorting detail of completed order field. Now, we need to update the service method such that it perform the sorting based on those parameters. After filtering data, check that if sorting field is address, and if it's a descending order, then use the order by descending method, else use the order by. Copy paste this if block. Update it for the amount. If a field is not specified, then by default sort it based on the ID. Save all the file and run the project. Open the docs. It includes the new argument with the proper enum value. Here I am going to just pass the order by detail. Let's sort it on the amount in descending order. Execute this. Here we got the result which has the amount in the descending order. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Here is the implementation of our query. We have used the argument method to specify the connection and obtain that argument in the body and pass it to the service via the page request. Here are the changes that we have made in the service method. We have checked for the field name and then based on the direction use the order by or order by descending method. Here is a query that we have executed. I have not passed the paging details, but you can also pass it along with this order by parameter. If you have any doubt, then feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.